Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Shade from Brawl Stars. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the glasses. We'll start with 2 lines down, leaving a gap in the center. And then add 2 curves across in between. Now on both sides, let's curve it out from the top, and the same from the bottom. And close it off on both ends. Now top and side each of the squares, and let's draw another one. Now inside, towards the center, let's draw a line across and a U shape underneath. And lastly, on the outside of each of the glasses, let's draw a rounded rectangle down. And that's it for the glasses. Next, we're going to hop on top, let's leave a gap, and let's draw a long curve across for the bottom of the hat. Now let's continue drawing the hat by bringing it up and curving it in on both sides. And then let's add a bump on top. Now let's move inside, and let's draw 2 lines up at the bottom and connect it at the top. And then let's add a circle inside on the left. Now on top of the rectangle, let's draw a curve up and then one more line up in the center. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and let's finish drawing the rest of the head. Let's start on the bottom corners of the hat, and let's draw a curve down and in. And then on both sides, let's bring it down and curve it in underneath, meeting at the center. Now inside at the top, let's draw a curve down to the glasses on both sides. Then continue it next to the glasses and curve it down in the center. Now we're going to hop in, and let's draw the same thing next to it. And then color the inside of the face in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with 2 lines underneath for the neck and a curve across underneath. And add 2 lines down in the center. Now next to the neck, let's draw a curve out and bring it down for the shoulders. And then for the arms, we're going to curve it down with a wavy line, bringing it in like this. And then 2 curves on the inside for the other side of the sleeves. And then a curve across to close off the bottom of each arm. Next, underneath each of the arms, let's draw 2 lines down and a curve across underneath. Now underneath the left sleeve, let's draw 2 angles down and out, a curve across, and then inside a circle for the button. And then let's add 2 ovals inside. Now top over, and for the right hand, let's draw a small curve for the thumb, and then a larger curve back up to finish off the hand. Now that we're done the arms, let's move back in and let's finish drawing the sweatshirt. In between the arms, close to the bottom, let's draw 2 curves across. And then underneath, let's draw 2 angles down and curve it out at the bottom. Now let's add the zipper to the hoodie. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw 2 lines down and then a rectangle shape in the center here. And then bring each of the side lines back in. Now let's hop down and let's draw another set of lines out. Bring them down and a curve at the bottom. And then inside, let's draw another square shape at the top. Now to draw the zipper underneath, let's draw 2 lines down all the way to the bottom. And then add some striped lines inside. And that's it for the zipper. Now let's add the pocket to the hoodie. Let's start with a line out on both sides near the center here, and then curve it down and out. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the chain coming out of the pocket. On the right side of the pocket, let's draw a small curve over to the arm. And now we're going to continue the chain on the other side of the arm with a rectangle shape out and back in. Then add another rectangle inside. Now at the end, let's add another rectangle shape going downwards and another one inside. And now for the next section, we're going to draw a skinny rectangle down. Now underneath, let's leave a small gap and let's draw a point up and down for the top of the star. And now on both sides, let's draw a curve down and then one more inside. And that's it for the chain. Now let's continue drawing the star. Let's add another set of points out on the sides. Two more going down. And then one at the bottom. Now top inside and let's draw a circle. Now inside the circle, let's add the face. Let's start with 2 black circles at the top. And then a line across with a curve underneath for the mouth. And color the mouth in black as well. And that's it for the star. Lastly, let's add the 2 keys. On the right side, let's draw 2 curves going out. And then next to it, we're going to draw a line out, a square shape up and back down, out again, and then a longer one up, and then bring it back in underneath. Now for the next key, let's do the same thing underneath. Let's draw 2 square shapes up, and bring it back in. And that's it for shade. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!